Hello, I'm Professor Thomas. Today we are learn about overloading method. Overloading method. A single class has same method with multiple version. In a single class, a same method with multiple versions. How it possible? The method names are identical. The method names are identical, but they differ by number of arguments. But they differ by number of arguments. But they also differ by data types of arguments. They also differ by data types of argument, but not they differ by return types. But not they differ by return type. Method names are identical. They differ by number of arguments in method, differ by data types of argument in method, but not differ by return type. Let us see with a small example. Class ESP class example. It has a method void add. It has a method void add. In first version, it has two parameter int a and int b. It has two parameter int a and int b. In another version, void add, it has different data type double a and int b. It has different data type double a and int b. First and second differ by data types, and also third versions double A and double B, double A and double B. The first version both are integer, second version double and int, the third version double and double. Two arguments both are double. In fourth version, it has three arguments. It has three arguments int A, int B, and int C. I already say the method names are identical. Method names are identical. Void add, void add, void add, void add. Four method names are identical. Differ by number of arguments. Differ by number of arguments. Differ by data types. Differ by data type, but not differ by return type. All methods have same return type void void or okay. How it possible? We have the main class sample public static void main. We create an object ASP object example object in object dot add 7 comma 8 object dot add 7 comma 8, both are integer, so it will call the first versions, so it called the first version 7 comma 8, and second version object dot add 10.1 comma 18, 10.1 comma 18. The first one is decimal point, the second one is integer, so it called the second versions, so it called the second version. And third object dot add 5.5 comma 4.5, both are decimal point, both are decimal point. Object dot add 5.5 and 4.5, both are decimal point, so we call the third version double A comma double B. And fourth versions object dot add, they have three parameter 4 comma 23 comma 7, so it matches the third only, it matches only the third option only, int A, int B, and int C. Likewise, the versions are matched correctly when overloading the methods. In our online class, we learn about Java basic in an easy method. So subscribe our video and follow our video. Thank you.